this might be interesting for you. We're going to do some winching. I know you guys have got winches and never use them, but I've got to get that plastic barrel there. Wait a minute, I'll tighten this up a bit. I've got up here on the tree the wire rope going round. I know you should put tree straps on, but they're my trees and I don't care. And 20 years ago them trees weren't there, so I don't care. Anyway, using my remote, I want to see if we can pull it and move that barrel so I can get it to roll it. Go on, get up there. That's it, a bit more. Oh, there goes the tree. Killing two birds with one stone. In fact, the whole mountainside's going to come down. Oh dear, that wasn't planned. Well, I got it a bit closer. Well, there goes the ratchet strap. Yeah, there's no roots on them, that's the problem. Now I'm kind of stuck now because I don't know what to do. We've got it half in and half out and no tree to pull. I'm not bothered about the trees. I just haven't got anything higher up. I wonder if I could put the strap around the bottom of the barrel and pull it upwards. Well, it's not exactly going according to plan, but it's getting there. So what I'm going to do now is, well, that tree's a bit disabled, but I think see if we can get it to move. Come on. You can do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where there's a willy, there's a way. Now, I can tip it this way. It's not too heavy, it's just bloody awkward. Right. We'll have to move the camera now, so that's out because I've got a load of wheels and tyres around the back of here. And I put this stillage here before I put this 45-foot container there. A bit of a faux pas really, but I never thought I'd be taking it out. But the pallet underneath's all rotten, and I used to keep exhaust in this. And I'll just use it as a water barrel, I think, now. I don't know why. Anyway, what we'll do now, I think we'll just pull it with a Land Rover. it out. It's like unconventional.
Well, there we go, you can see it's back on its base. I'm not sure if I'll keep it or not. I need to put it on a new pallet, but it's not a priority now.
Well, let's go and have a look at the back and see what we can see. Oh dear, what a pity. Never mind. I wonder if I've got enough battery for this. Yeah, see here, look. I've got a disco bonnet, panels. But up there I've got some tyres, and otherwise I've got to take all this lot down to get the tyres off the roof, because they're really good, they need selling. And I've got all these rims here. Some have got knackered tyres on, some are really good, but they're all Disco 2. So they're all going to go to the scrap because nobody wants them. Disco 2 P38 won't fit anything else. So it's a bit unfortunate, but that was the idea. So now I can come up with my forklift with a pallet and load all this lot on and have an afternoon taking rims off, tyres off rims, should I say.